gonna be the Venice mask. 2 days, all time. Let's go see what happens. Oh man, was so many detailed texture around. It was really hard. Also, part of the face, I need to change a little bit because for the skin tone here, I have to change the color to make more contrast, to create more balance between the skin tone and the white mask. It's coming good. On skin, like the highlight. Because if I make full saturation, for the skin tone scenes can burn in. By just keeping the sense, his skin like the highlight, when here, his skin is gonna be the highlight and never gonna burn. You know what I mean? Our part here, the dark part here, to the face coming out for the contrast. And a lot of red around.